Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So I feel amazing today. I wanted to share something with you guys. So we have our brand new facility. So this is all finally ours and ready to go. We've been working on this for quite a long time. We've actually had it for over a year and we've been remodeling it for the last 6 months. So we put a lot of thought, a lot of effort, a lot of love, a lot of passion into this. So we hope you guys like it.
If they work on Ferraris, they can work on my car anytime. Come to Showtime Audio. Come to 4422 North Boston.